Try and keep the baby asleep. That's cool as fuck! Little old mini. I have no idea if you guys can hear me, but I just wanted to try and do a vlog today, mainly because it's actually quite a nice day and the sun is still up for maybe the first time in a very long time while having finished work. It's incredible. I also just like really needed to get out on the bike. I've been sick for weeks, months now, and I'm just so sick of being at home and not getting outside or seeing the sun or anything. Just like being at home, it's so shit. I've got like an itch that I need to scratch to get the hell out of the house, to see the sun, to get on this beautiful bike and just enjoy myself and live life a little bit, you know. It really gets to me. All I do is work in front of a computer, sitting there all day, every day, and it's just not me. It's not who I was supposed to be. I was not born to sit there and look at fucking Excel and get calls on Teams and shit. It's just fucking driving me insane. None of this is what I was born to do. Maybe I'm having a midlife crisis, I don't know. Oh, fuck yeah, look at this. Big old Dodge Ram. Fucking awesome, cunt! Fuck yeah! God, I fucking love a V8. I'm just such a bogan, eh? Anyway, this is what I came out here to do. Just to literally be outside, on my bike, enjoying myself. The bigger problem is, I don't actually have time right now. Oh god, I hate even saying this. I don't even have time to go out of the house to ride my bike. I have to like sneak out while my kid's asleep. I have to sneak out while the kid is asleep, and I have the maximum of 1 hour to get out of the house, to ride my bike, to enjoy myself, to do something I want to do for a change, so that I can then go back to doing what the world requires of me, and I don't know, guys, I just feel like there's a lot more in life than this. Maybe I expect too much. Have a look at this woman behind me who's almost driven into me just now. Maybe I'll let her know I've got a camera on my fucking helmet so I don't come close to me. Fuck me. People in this little bit here are driving like absolute fucking spastic. But whatever, doesn't matter, let's just keep rolling through with the good times. Let's keep the positivity up. Fuck this. Thank you. What a legend. She like moved out of the way. Faith in humanity has once again been restored. Oh my god. I go over this bridge because I really like this bridge. I like a bridge. It's a nice view though. And the traffic is always guaranteed to be backed up here, but it is a nice view. That one there is called Chevron Renaissance. Got Q1 over the end there. The Hilton. And a whole bunch of other ones. Let's chuck this bad boy into neutral and give my wrist a rest. Crazy to think that each day I work like literally across the road, or just up the road rather, from a beach. Yet I see the beach maybe once a week. That's crazy. Well, they leave some muscles for the rest of us, brother. Do you need a hand? Oh shit, oh. Pretty bad, yeah. Alright. You're alright. I don't know if I should maybe like push it or something. collars up, living his best life, huh? Get some air flowing through the bike so it doesn't overheat. Just another day in surfer paradise. Oh shit, this park is actually like quite cool for once. Alright, I'll see you guys in a minute.